Have you ever finished a meal feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or just plain sluggish? If you're over 55, you're not alone. Digestion can slow down with age, but the good news is you can improve it right from your kitchen with simple, natural changes. Hello, I'm Dr. John Smith. Today, we're diving into practical, home-based ways to boost your digestion naturally. These strategies are backed by science and tailored for us seniors, helping reduce bloating, ease constipation, and get your gut feeling great again. Let's start with why this matters and the first key steps. Why digestion changes with age as we get older. Our gut motility slows, stomach acid production can dip, and good bacteria might decline, leading to common issues like constipation or indigestion. Studies show that simple dietary tweaks like adding fiber and probiotics can restore balance and improve bowel regularity in older adults. The best part? You can do this affordably at home without fancy gadgets or pills. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Fiber is your gut's best friend. It adds bulk to stool, feeds healthy bacteria, and prevents constipation, which affects up to 30% of seniors. Aim for 25 to 30 grams daily from whole foods. Start your day with oatmeal topped with bananas or berries for soluble fiber that softens stool. Whole grains like brown rice or whole grain bread for insoluble fiber that speeds things up. Veggies such as steamed carrots, spinach, or broccoli easy on the teeth and tummy. Legumes like lentils or chickpeas in soups. Research confirms they promote healthy gut bacteria. Introduce fiber gradually with plenty of water to avoid gas, and you'll notice smoother movements in a week. Power up with probiotics. Probiotic foods introduce good bacteria to rebuild your gut microbiome, which weakens with age and can cause bloating or poor immunity. A study on elderly folks found multi-strain probiotics increased stool frequency and eased constipation effectively. Buttermilk daily. Opt for homemade curd if you can, as it's gentler and packed with live cultures. Fermented picks like a small serve of pickled veggies or chas after meals. These support digestion and even immune health, per reviews on seniors. Pair with prebiotic fiber for a 1-2 punch your gut will love. Stay hydrated the smart way. Dehydration hits harder as we age, thickening stool and slowing digestion. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Warm water first thing in the morning kickstarts your system, and hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, or coconut water count too. Infuse with lemon or ginger for extra digestive enzymes that reduce nausea and bloating. Chew slowly and eat mindfully. Chewing food thoroughly. Aim for 20 to 30 times per bite. Breaks it down for easier digestion, especially important for seniors with weaker teeth or lower enzyme production. Mindful eating without distractions like TV reduces overeating and gas. One study links it to better gut health in older adults. Sit comfortably, savor each bite, and eat smaller, frequent meals. Think 5 mini meals instead of 3 big ones to ease your stomach's workload. This simple habit can cut indigestion by improving nutrient absorption and signaling fullness sooner. Move gently every day. Light exercise stimulates gut muscles, promoting regularity. Walking 20 to 30 minutes after meals boosts digestion by 20 to 30% in seniors, per research. Start with a gentle stroll around your home or garden. No gym needed. Yoga poses like child's pose or seated twists massage your abdomen and relieve bloating. Safe for most over 55. Chair exercises or leg lifts while seated keep things moving without strain. Consistency here prevents constipation better than laxatives. Herbal teas and home remedies. Ginger tea soothes inflammation and speeds stomach emptying. Boil fresh ginger slices in water for 5 minutes. Sip post-meal. Fennel seeds chewed after dinner. 1 tsp. Reduce gas. Ayurvedic wisdom backed by studies on IB-cell-like symptoms in elders. Peppermint tea calms spasms, ideal for bloating, while common water aids enzymes. These are cheap, natural, and gentle, perfect for daily use at home. Sample daily routine. Put it all together. Wake with warm lemon water. Oatmeal breakfast. Yogurt snack. Walk after lunch. Ginger tea evening. Fennel chew post-dinner. Track how you feel in a journal. Many see relief in 7 to 14 days. Adjust portions to your needs, staying active and hydrated. Easy recipes for better digestion. Whip up a probiotic-rich Rada. Mix curd with grated cucumber, cumin, and salt. Eat with meals for cooling digestion. A fiber-packed khichdi. Simmer moong dal, rice, carrots, and spinach with ginger light. Nourishing and easy to digest for seniors. Ginger fennel tea. Steep 1-inch ginger, 1 tsp fennel in hot water 10 minutes. Strain and sip twice daily. Studies support these ingredients for reducing bloating and improving motility. Batch prep for the week to keep it simple. Foods and habits to avoid. Skip fried, spicy, or processed foods. They irritate the gut lining, worsening reflux common in 40% of elders. Limit caffeine and alcohol, which dehydrate and slow digestion. Opt for herbal swaps. Don't ignore the urge to go hold it in and constipation builds. Refined carbs like white bread lack fiber, so choose whole grains instead. Small changes here amplify your efforts. When to see a doctor. These tips work for mild issues, but persistent pain, blood and stool, unexplained weight loss, or severe constipation need professional check, could signal more. Always consult before new routines, especially with meds. Seniors on multiple pills should watch interactions with herbs. Your health is priority, better safe. Wrapping up your gut health journey, you've got the tools now. Fiber, probiotics, movement, mindfulness, and remedies, all doable at home for smoother digestion. Start small, be patient, and enjoy feeling lighter and more energetic. Thanks for joining. Like if this helped, share with a friend, and subscribe for senior wellness secrets. Stay healthy.